Marketing a home requires more than just getting it live on the MLS. At Insiders Realty, we've developed a proven, comprehensive marketing strategy to ensure that your home gets the attention that it deserves. In this video, I'll walk you through every detail of what we do to market your home effectively and maximize its value. First, we build the marketing strategy timelines. This first step is creating a detailed timeline that outlines everything from preparation to promotion. This ensures a well-organized and impactful process so every detail is executed flawlessly. Next, we develop the launch plan. Once this timeline is set, we create a launch plan tailored to your home. This includes preparing your home to make the best first impression and planning the perfect moment to debut it on the market. Once we're ready to showcase your home, we go the extra mile to make your home unforgettable. Here are some of our favorite tools in our toolbox. Professional staging, which transforms your space to appeal to today's buyers. Magazine-worthy photos help capture your home's best angles with the very best professional photography. Lifestyle videos and cinematic tours. These engaging videos tell the story of your home. 2D floor plans and 3D Matterport tours give buyers a complete understanding of your home's layout and flow. Digital and social media marketing, such as Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, help reach the right buyers with paid and targeted campaigns. QR codes and virtual flyers, these innovative tools connect buyers directly to your listing. High-quality print materials, these beautiful brochures and postcards leave a lasting impression. Email campaigns help deliver curated messages to potential buyers and agents. Creating local buzz with neighborhood outreach by inviting neighbors to share in the excitement of your home. Open houses help generate interest and give buyers a chance to experience your home in person. At Insiders Realty, we do so much more than just list your home. We make sure that it gets the attention that it deserves with a well thought out marketing plan that works. From stunning photos to creative digital campaigns, we've got everything covered to make your home stand out. If you're thinking about selling, let's chat. We'd love to show you how we can make it all happen.